inside Rabat, Morocco last weekend. The Tigers have done set to play Argentina for the second game inside the FIBA World Cup, and we'll talk like how the action take happen inside Obodo Imbo Football. Correct Monday morning. Salute us on another fine edition of Sportian on Top Niger FM 102.7. My name is Napoli Bruno. 27 night they come after this morning, they come back now. Monday edition of Sportian on Top Niger FM 102.7. Time to reach our segment this fine morning. Yes, wet Monday morning. Then we'll go there with all the latest gist around the world of sport.
We will start with all African games where Team Nigeria don't finish second for the medal table for the 12th African games we just finished for Rabat, Morocco with 127 medals. The Nigerian team finished with 26 gold, 33 silver and 48 bronze medals. And now weightlifting carry many of their gold. Meanwhile, Ghana don't get the right to host the 2023 African Games as Accra, Kumasi and Cape Coast will be the city we go stage the games. We go enter tennis now where Swiss Ogbonge player Roger Federer do correct cruise control on top David Goffin to enter the quarterfinal of the US Open early momo today. The five-time champion discharged Goffin 6-2, 6-6 love for match will last just 78 minutes and him go now play Bulgarian Bobor Grigor Dimitrov for the last 8. For other matches, defending champion Novak Djokovic don't withdraw from the US Open because of Wunjo when he plays Stan Wawrinka. And for the Rema level, Serena Williams don't enter the last 8 of the US Open after she brushed Petra Martic 6-3, 6-4, even though say she been the get medical attention. Serena go now play Chinko Babe Wang Kwang for the quarterfinal. And last we go enter boxing where Ukrainian boxer Vasyl Lomachenko overpower Luke Campbell for the Ogbonge match to take back the WBC lightweight title on Sunday. The 21-year-old Oshari displayed correct ginger to beat the Bitiko Bobo for points after him get 119-108, 119-108, 118-108 for the judges for the London O2 Arena. With this victory, Lomachenko don't add the WBC lightweight title and he don't add WBA and WBO to his belly.
All right, thank you very much, Daniel. That Natori segment this morning. Once again, congratulations to Team Nigeria. Even though they don't finish as first, at least a second position after all the war prepared ahead of the Africa Games. Another small break that gets us now. When we come back, Nigeria Sports and the latest bus stop. We'll come back now. 2.7 at Sport Vision NOG. Now we'll Twitter handle if you never begin follow us. And just as to be announced last week, say yes, very soon, supposed to go live today on top Twitter and Facebook, but it's like a small network, palava, they cause all the big. But no worry, as from tomorrow, hopefully, when I begin the watch us live on top Sportian Twitter and Facebook. Of the Facebook address, just type in Sport Vision Nigeria. The sports don't carry S, just Sport Vision Nigeria, and just click on the like button. Yes, and once again, in case not begin follow us at Sport Vision and Naibu Twitter handle. But time to wait for Nigeria Sports now.
They made me say bad day for it.
YouTube.
Some people don't come out and say, okay, even if you know they like, they physically see the video. So
okay, after
the show, they physically see for the Facebook, Twitter, even on top YouTube at Sport Vision.
All right, follow Vego like see Bolu and the oversized shirt this morning. Okay, Bolu will start from the D Tigers. They will lose their first game last weekend against Russia. Just 5 points, and again we say everybody feels say them be supposed to win based on how they perform for the third quarter. But later today, or 9:30 this morning, they will play Argentina for the second game.
Yeah, but before I forget, we try 5 points. You see, Angola, Senegal, Ivory Coast, Tunisia. But if you use the proof measure the beating with the flock there, you know for reach. So now all of us will lose for Africa, but at least Nigeria still shows. Even for the final quarter, they lead by 8 points. But now 3 points, those guys take use pass on Russia. And even though the pundits be right saying Nigeria supposed to beat Russia before the game. But positive we say the way they take ginger, because they get 1 point for inside the game, take for first half, we did like 16 points behind. So they should say, okay, the style day, you know, say these guys they ball, but now maybe now I always say they call loss of concentration. But if they feel beat Argentina, hope they say we go qualify. But if they no beat Argentina, no chance, because now 2 teams will qualify. The only hope we get if we lose Argentina, now if we win and Russia say lose their next game, we know say okay against Korea we feel win. But make the future like they always talk for sport, anything can happen. But the guys give their best against this Argentina team. If they feel beat Argentina, we know say Russia, we supposed Croatia, we supposed to walk past them and enter inside the knockout round.
All right, all the best to the D Tigers. 9:30 this morning, they will face Argentina for the second game inside the FIBA Men's World Cup. What do you think get for this morning, Bolu?
We will go back before I talk Falcons. We will go back the African Games.
Okay.
Falcons, I think we'll be talking on Friday. Say that we win their own final match on top penalty. But Flying Eagles, they are maybe not their swear or their jinx or their bad luck still continue. As they may lose that match 2-0 to Burkina Faso inside the final. But I still go through that team again. I dey see different age range, and I just dey laugh to myself. Like we dey always talk am on top sport and every day, every time. E better to take boys wey be like small boys go to competition lose, and to carry boys wey be like men go that same competition still go lose. I dey laugh with Daniel this morning when we say Eletu was born 2000. Yeah, like some people don't talk since we don't get proof for anything. We know they bash them, but they feel young. But if out of 20 man, 23 man squad, 18 man squad, like 30 out of 23, they look like old men.
But see, say they talk say millennial kids. So
Mm.
they quick mature.
Yeah.
So maybe say them born a little for the new millennium. So a quick mature. But we quick mature.
Okay, I won't believe it. Okay, but Falcons, they play first match, they win away 2-0. They go play first match for Agege Stadium, Lagos.
Second
Then
leg
be,
match.
second leg for the game, this return leg. Then they be go bring Joshua Land, but they guy will just recover again. What's going on?
In the try build up their fitness.
I kiss my ass.
Okay, which explanation won't
Because
give
I don't
now?
understand. If you say you pack home base go, definitely no matter competition where we go play, we know some players, them Modega Oshwala, except Wunjo, they part of the
Yeah,
squad.
but Bolu, wait. I understand your concern, but the truth be say, team will be say before they go arrange friendly match for them. Shey, you know by the time they come play all these squad qualifiers, that mean they play Robo FC.
You don't get me now.
Rivers Angels.
They don't even win first leg with home base. Why you don't play the same thing for second
And I
leg?
training with the second leg now.
Okay. Now for instance, Agege Stadium, I think that tomorrow the game, so
Okay.
if you job.
Like, but this one's not confirmed. Say they will come for Shaola and
Another team with that one safe.
I miss the fight.
I kiss my wrist.
All right, thank you very much, Bodo. That na Ninja Sporty and this morning. Time don't reach for Oyinbo football talk. Now hear the voice of Kings Japan already. Plenty action to touchlight as concerned games last weekend. Some of the results from inside League 1. Metz lost against PSG 2-0. Lyon play 1-1 with Bordeaux. Strasbourg play 2-2 with Monaco. Reims beat Lille 2-0.
And the only result we pay me be that.
And Marseille 1-0 over Saint Etienne. And from inside Bundesliga, Bayern Munich beat Mainz 6-1. Mainz looking for trouble. Let's collect 6. Berlin shock Dortmund.
Yeah.
3-1 another one.
3-1.
And
Yeah.
Mönchengladbach 7 loss against RB Leipzig. 3-1. Timo Werner.
Hat-trick.
Solid form.
Yeah,
And this
hat-trick.
guy did this season so far. Leverkusen play goalless with Offenheim and Schalke 0 for 3-0 over Hertha Berlin. But look, we choke match for with due respect to all these games. Things that we want talk on top. Berlin.
Nah, just the Dortmund. You know, say when Dortmund play Cologne, like 2 weeks ago, now so they first concede before they come back home. Now they carry that same form again, go here. But this one, they no come fit recover. My own be say, no matter how you go say you get fantastic team, you guys dey play well away as you dey play for home if you wan win league. This kind form no be form wey you go take beat Bayern at all, or wey you take collect league from Bayern hand. You play well for house, you beat team 6-0, 7-0, you can't go away from home, you know if you beat teams. Beat teams same way. Bayern now, last weekend they win. This one now they win, and they score plenty. Na so champions suppose dey play.
Okay, we better Syria. Plenty goals once again last weekend. Atlanta do so against Torino 3-2. Surprise result.
No, I
too.
no expect am.
Surprise result.
I no expect am.
AC Milan beat Brescia 1-0. Cagliari do so against Inter Milan 2-1. Romelu Lukaku scored the winning
Yes,
penalty.
but
And once
I
again,
no like that.
racism.
Racist, I no like am. I know, you know good. I don't know.
That-
Cagliari, no, so
okay.
they do the same thing for Moise Kean last season. They do am again now because see that last season, they no banded. They no say make they play, behind closed doors till the season go end. Find the team, comot points. They do am again. It can't be like say Syria na like MPFA because na MPFA dey see this kind thing. Make dem do this thing because we wan watch football. We like say for Italy now, but they no be like boring Syria before. Goals full everywhere. So you fit subscribe to any kind of network say you wan watch Syria because it is sweet now. So if it's sweet, make dem no use this racist chance spoil am.
All right, for the Rome derby, it finished 1-1 between Lazio and AS Roma, and the big game last weekend, Juventus 4, Napoli 3.
what is-
Koulibaly, they
Taleno.
don't sit down somewhere. They think right now.
E too big. The game too big. This same Koulibaly, when I been dey watch that match, because na me and Bolu dey see the match that Saturday. First half, first 15 minutes, Koulibaly make like 3 tackles in space of like 7 minutes. He do am on Ronaldo, do am on Douglas Costa, then do am on Pjanic. I don't even know about Koulibaly. Na vex level carry come say, na me some people go say this guy better pass Van Dijk. Now, Juve can score 3 goals. Danilo wey no even expect say him go play, enter for the shield score. Higuain turn and shot wey I no expect around Koulibaly. Then Ronaldo can score again. After the second goal, I don't believe I know dey watch again. Say I think say this match go sweet. Say e no sweet, I just comot. I come dey follow am for food. As I see 3-0 when I dey road to house, I say thank God say I comot. I come leave my phone. Later I just see Twitter 3-3. I come go check 3-3. When I reach house, I come check that match well. Delete. They delete am well well. They delete. And I feel say I can't see reason why even as he do me big money move, they still dey stick with Bonucci and Kelly.
If you look at some small go take.
Yes, he go take blame, but he need to learn a whole lot. And Koulibaly 3-3. When we think say this man they don't try, he still can't go do go. Won't go fit happen to anybody. But hey, Juventus now still the team to beat for Serie A.
Okay, for inside La Liga, Sevilla play 1-1 with Celta Vigo. Bilbao beat Sociedad 2-0. Atletico Madrid 3-2 over Eibar. Let's go. Then they score for that one.
Simeone.
Osasuna play 2-2 with Barcelona. Villarreal 2-2 against Real Madrid. Please, before you continue, let's say Arsenal, Manchester United, Chelsea, Barcelona, Real Madrid. They did the same WhatsApp group this season.
Yeah, we just dey learn, no? Although everybody. And I make a feel say UEFA Champions League again if you come back to England this season, because you look all these teams, you dey look say okay for Europe now, comot Bayern. Which other team for Europe, big teams, if you play Man City or Liverpool as we dey now? So e be like say Champions League if you come back to either City or Liverpool, except all those miracles wey happen, VAR and co. Share again, but it go come back to it because I look Barcelona be like no Norwich if Messi no dey, because I no see, even when you see big players, the coordination no dey. So baby, I sure say they fit sack am anytime, because if you dey tell us say all this people money wey we dey spend, we no dey see am on the field. If Messi no play, then na wahala. For Real Madrid too, Zidane never know your left and right. The bay where you want, where you dey victimize, when you can't even save you again, and your team no dey even play as they supposed to play. So no be good one. But for Atletico Madrid, Simeone understand this team. 2-0 down, and they still come back and win. Now them be the team where I go put my money on for this La Liga.
All right, for inside Premier League, Burnley lose against Liverpool 3-0. Manchester City 4-0 by Brighton. Southampton 1-1 with Manchester United. Chelsea 2-2 with Sheffield United. And the big game, not London derby last weekend. Arsenal 2, Tottenham Hotspur 2. And we must salute Arsenal this month. They come back from 2-0 down. And Guendouzi, solid performance.
Fantastic player. Liverpool, Burnley, selfish Salah. Man City, fantastic De Bruyne.
De Bruyne.
Yeah. Chelsea, I don't know wetin dey happen to.
No, fantastic Frank Abraham.
Frank Lampard and his son, his small pikin. Man United, that team never ready at all. Then for
are never ready to face in reality.
Yeah. Then for Arsenal Spurs, I don't know why Emirates start with that kind of formation. No creativity for midfield. Guendouzi, Xhaka, Torreira. How you want to take who go create for Pepe, Lacazette, and Aubameyang? I know see, and I even make Spurs just come outside, rush Arsenal for the beginning. But when second half come, when come make the right sub, put Ceballos and put. If to say Lacazette, we don't get one job, we Arsenal bring in Mkhitaryan, we be short 2. For me, maybe Arsenal for even win am with Aubameyang, Pepe, and Lacazette up front with that Ceballos. But for Unai Emery, I no feel say for this level, with the kind support they don't give am and the money, he's supposed to respect Spurs for inside Emirates when you know they go away from home. You know need am. Unai Emery still, I get issue with Unai Emery well, because you don't sell some players. The ones where you keep, we must get justification, say they're good why you keep them. And for Spurs, no player for that Spurs team who do wetin Eriksen dey do. So make them no sell that guy. If they sell am,
if they sell am, e better for every other team now.
Oh yeah, for England, for
one less threat.
Yes. Now him be that jail wey dey keep that team. And for Pochettino, I don't know wetin he get with the team, with the management, and so they don't buy am Ndombele. In the city, they complain say he need some other players, so they no give am because Rose suppose go. Ben Davis get Wujo, I make Rose stay. If to say Rose don't go and Ben Davis don't get Wujo, I don't know who's supposed to play their left back. Make them still sort them out. But for now, for England, now Man City, Liverpool, I don't know who won't beat those two teams at all.
All right, thank you very much, Kingsley, and to all of you who joined us this morning on top Monday edition of Sports here on top Nigeria FM 102.7. Don't forget at Sport Vision Engine Twitter handle, and if you follow the action after the show, just enter the Facebook page Sport Vision Nigeria, and you'll see the run of today's edition of the show. My name is Abode Bruno. Make me get better day. Now, good morning.